Hello students, today I will be discussing with you the MCQs regarding lesson number 1, that is Basics of Information Technology, which is in the subject IT for the streams of Science, Commerce and Arts. So the first question is, the basic operations performed by a computer are: option A, arithmetic operation; option B, logical operation; option C, storage and relative; and option D, all the above. So the right answer in this case is all the above, because logical, arithmetic as well as the storage is done in the computer, and that is the basic activity which a computer does. The next question is, the brain of a computer system is dash. So the options are ALU, memory, CPU and control unit. So the right answer for this particular question is CPU. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer system. Now we'll see the third MCQ. The two kinds of main memory are primary and secondary, random and sequential, ROM and RAM, and all the above. As we all are aware that memories are divided into two parts, that is main memory and secondary memory. That is primary memory is also called as main memory. So the main memory is again divided into two types, that is RAM and ROM. So the right answer is RAM and ROM. Next question, the ALU of the computer responds to the commands coming from primary memory, control section, external memory, cache memory. So the work of the control unit is to take the input from the user and to give it to the arithmetic logical unit, and then this particular arithmetic logical unit again processes that data and gives all its processed data to the control unit, and the work of control unit is again to facilitate that output to the output devices. So the right answer for this particular question is control section. Which of the following storage devices can store maximum amount of data? Floppy disk, hard disk, compact disk, magneto-optic disk. So the right answer for this particular question is hard disk. A computer consists of dash, a central processing unit, a memory, input-output unit, all of the above. So the computer comprises a set of all these, that is CPU, memory, input devices as well as output devices. Next question is, what are the three decision-making operations performed by ALU of the computer? Greater than, less than, equal to, all of the above. So arithmetic operation involves addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, as well as all these types of operations, that is logical operations also. So all of the above is the right answer. Which statement is valid about computer program? It is understood by a computer, it is understood by a programmer, it is understood user, or both A and B. So the computer programming languages are understood well by the programmer who is having the knowledge of that particular programming language. So the programming language can be C language, C++ language or Java language. And these programming language are also understood by the computer. So option D, both A and B is the right answer. The term gigabytes refers to dash. So 1024 bytes, 1024 kilobytes, 1024 megabytes or 1024 gigabytes. So the right answer for the term gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. So this is the right answer for 1 gigabyte. And the term byte consists of, as already discussed, a bit is having a binary number, that is 0 or 1, whereas a nibble has 4 bits. When 4 bits come together, then we call it as 1 nibble. Similarly, when 8 bits come together, then we call it as byte. So the right answer is 8 bits. So this was all about the assignment regarding the basics of IT.